Okay. Then I give you news, and mostly we'll be covering the news which is relevant to you for the preparation of GK in the various examinations. Okay. So do you know that one F-35, one of the best stealth fighter aircraft, is grounded in India? Who knows this? Raise your hand. Oh, very good. Very good. Yes, tell me.
Sir, it
What
was
do you know about it?
due to fuel deficiency.
Yes. Due to fuel deficiency. This was US aircraft or British aircraft?
British.
Yeah. It is US manufactured aircraft given to Britain, and it was operating from a British warship. And they were involved in some exercise in the Indian Ocean when it is said that some emergency of fuel deficiency kind of emergency happened, and then it took permission and landed in India. Okay. Now there is a lot of controversy going on with regard to this aircraft. Now there is some suspicion that this aircraft was doing some spying in our area, and its software applications are not working properly, and India is having some suspicion that this aircraft was monitoring either Indian electromagnetic spectrum or the Chinese electromagnetic spectrum being active in Indian Ocean. Chinese submarines activities, their sonar activities. So this aircraft has got very, very sensitive sensors by which it records entire communication system, entire electromagnetic spectrum available in its area. So वो रिकॉर्डिंग इंडिया ने उसको ऐसा बोला जा रहा है कि उसको हमने डिसिफर करना शुरू कर दिया है. So what is the difference between a stealth fighter and a stealth bomber? Who can tell? Raise your hand. A stealth fighter and a stealth bomber. Very simple. By the very name, stealth bomber means who can carry big bombs, heavy bombs. And fighter means it carries very advanced missiles, bombs also, but it is very good in air-to-air fight. Okay. This is the basic difference. So which is the best bomber which was used recently? I told you in the news just a couple of days back.
B2 bomber.
B2 bomber. So it carries very heavy bombs. So B2 bomber is not very good at aerial combat and fighting with other aircraft. Okay. So fighter, and which is the one of the best stealth fighter? F-35. So this is F-35 which is grounded in India. Understood? Now coming to the other news. Alcaraz is associated with which sports? Only these three boys. Girls. Alcaraz किस स्पोर्ट्स का स्पोर्ट्समैन है? वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 पे है.
Lawn tennis.
Lawn tennis. Okay. So you should be knowing the at least top players in every game. Who is India number 1 in chess? So you should be knowing that. Who is world number 1? Carlsen. Okay. So all these important sports personalities, at least India number 1, world number 1, you should be knowing. Clear? Javelin thrower? Everybody is aware, okay. Who is the captain of Indian cricket team now? In cricket?
Shubman Gill.
Shubman Gill. Okay. And India is developing a hypersonic missile. You know that? What is a hypersonic missile? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. See, there are subsonic, supersonic, and hypersonic. Yes, Kavya has raised her hand. What great speed? See, anything which moves at the speed which is less than the speed of the sound is called subsonic. The thing which moves faster than the speed of the sound is called supersonic. जो आवाज की गति से तेज चलता है उसको बोलते हैं सुपरसोनिक. But the vehicle or the missiles which moves faster than 5 Mach. 5 Mach is the threshold. Remember, 5 Mach. Mach क्या होता है? 1 Mach is equivalent to speed of sound. अगर इस साउंड के स्पीड के बराबर है तो इट इज कॉल्ड 1 Mach. स्पीड इसका 1 Mach है. So if the speed is more than 5 Mach, then that is called hypersonic. It is a different category because if any missile is moving at hypersonic speed, it cannot be intercepted by air defense. The speed is so fast. Okay. So it is also known as glide vehicles. It goes into the space and then glides. And it also has the capabilities of changing its direction midway. Other missiles, supersonic missiles, once it is launched, its direction is fixed. It will not change its trajectory. Okay. In hypersonic, it can change its trajectory. So it is difficult to be intercepted. So you have learned today subsonic, supersonic, and hypersonic. Hypersonic is what? If the speed is more than 5 Mach. Okay. So India is developing hypersonic missiles. It has already test fired. Find out which missile in the Google or through your various sources, and I'll ask you tomorrow. Yeah, you know that?
BrahMos 2.
Yeah, BrahMos 2, but there is another one. Find out. Okay.